We are back.
Back, you know.
Me and Emil, we've been watching a lot of Hell's Kitchen.
It's finally made its way to Korea.
Season 19, Netflix. Why do they keep fucking up the lamb?
They do keep fucking up the lamb.
Why they be doing that?
Yeah, of course.
Perfectly.
Because it comes out and they got that redness and that rawness and like, how'd you do that? I thought the people need to know, because I need to know.
Emil wanted to know so much that he bought some lamb racks, which are actually extremely hard to get in Korea.
They are.
I ain't ever seen this shit in Korea. So we've been waiting a little while for it to arrive. And what we got here is our lamb. So we couldn't get it with the layer of fat on top, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is, and I'm not gonna lie, it's looking pretty big.
Yeah, they
So
be looking thick.
Let's start off with the prep on them. As there's no fat, the first thing we can do is take off the sinews.
Would they usually have more fat than this?
Yeah, there's usually a big old layer of fat that comes over the top.
Okay.
And you just score it up. But actually, you know what? I don't like that fat. Because you get this layer of sinew underneath the fat, right?
Yeah.
Which ain't very nice. So I actually like taking it off anyway. You're gonna take this bit here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're not gonna give it a slap?
Alright.
I wouldn't know you slap your meat. Yeah!
Oh, like that. You're gonna take it about this much and take this bit off. This bit's
Why are
gonna
we doing that?
This bit here is gonna overcook. So you wanna start it off nice and thick. You know what, if you're cooking at home, you ain't gonna clean any bones. You know, nobody cares about some clean ass bones. But seeming as is, you know, this is a cooking channel, and I'm showing you guys how to cook lamb. I thought I'd show you the old French trim. Oh yeah.
You think Ramsey's gonna take unclean bones?
We've got sexy pesto pasta going with this.
So why have we got the pesto pasta? Why aren't we doing all the complicated things, Floyd?
Right, because basically I was thinking about it, right? And like all the ingredients, doing a list of all the ingredients that you need, and it just went on and on and on. And I know nobody at home's gonna be going out getting those ingredients.
You never know if there are a couple of heroes like me. I could be going out and getting them. For those that don't know, Floyd was actually like a fine dining chef.
Yeah,
so
like,
Floyd has worked with all them ingredients and done this stuff.
Yeah, I have. And you know what? I choose pesto pasta over that any day. Because it's not just normal pesto pasta, this. It's not like open a tin kind of shit. This is the real homemade deal.
This is that classic Floyd pesto pasta that we all know and love.
This is the next level shit, dude.
So they're actually getting a 2-for-1 in this video, aren't they, mate?
Oh yeah.
They're getting Hell's Kitchen lamb wrap, and they're also getting homemade pesto pasta.
Exactly, exactly.
What a lucky bunch of buggers they are. You shall finish what you start, boy.
Get off! So once you've done your scraping, right, you got some bones here. This bone is connected to the neck bone. So it's actually the what do you call this, a rack. This is actually part of the rack. So you don't want to fuck with the rack bit. But you get these little bits here, right? And these are cheeky little buggers. So you got to take them out. Because when you carve your lamb, right, these get in the way. And they make you look like a right fucking mug. So, take it. So, one.
See, these are the sort of things that a slightly above average chef like myself, home chef,
That you?
wouldn't know. Mate, I'm a good cook. I'm a very good cook, Floyd. I am above average for a home chef, definitely.
It's slightly above average douchebag. Alright, here we go. Now we got 2 lamb racks. We're gonna salt them.
A sizzle there, mate.
It's got that lamb smell. I don't get to smell this smell.
For those who don't know, we live in Korea and it's hard to get lamb in Korea, especially like this.
Real hard.
And lamb's my favourite meat. So roughly how long, or what are they looking for when they're doing this?
So you're just looking for like a really nice golden caramelization. You don't want to treat it like steak and get like the really brown crust. You just want to go golden with it, because lamb's really delicate. So like this one here,
Yeah.
Wow. So that's what you want, that beautiful caramelization. Then you just fill it on the side of the pan. Now don't worry about if you've got like these grey bits here, because at the end we're going to throw some butter in and baste it. That's going to complete the caramelization.
Oh man, that's going to be beautiful with some fucking homemade pesto pasta.
Homemade pesto pasta?
And what are the people trying to get? Are you trying to get a medium rare? What's it called with lamb rack?
Right, so lamb rack, yeah, it's got to be medium rare to medium, in between. What I like to call blushing.
Blushing.
So you got that perfect pink, and as you cut into it, you get that blood just drip down. Have a look at that, right?
Yeah.
That's where you want it all around. So now we've sealed every side. We're going to fill it back on there, right? Ooh la la.
Ooh la la. Le pelle et
Crushed garlic. Rosemary and thyme. More rosemary than thyme. What you need there. And you put these in the butter just so they can infuse.
Okay.
Lean the pan and just start basting.
Ooh.
Your lamb. Yeah, it's getting frothing. Yeah, she is frothing.
So what's the point of basting things?
It gets it super hot and it just fills in all the cracks that you can get to with the pan. Right, take a bit of your nice herbs, stick them at the bottom of the tray, like a little bed. Right. 1, 2. After all that basting, they feel really rare at the moment. So they won't need too long in the oven. Stick your herbs on top, and then of course, get that butter on there. That's all like buttery, lamby goodness.
How are you assessing? Through touch?
Yeah, just through the squeeze. So just squeeze it up and check the bounce. It's all about how it bounces back. So that's about rare at the moment. Is that a bit hot for you?
Yeah, it's hot, man. I don't know how chefs do that shit.
So you see how it squeezes in quite a bit?
Yeah. Oh,
That's
fuck, how are you doing that?
That's because it's raw in the middle. That's why it squeezes in so much. But when it's cooked, it's going to be like a small bounce. Like a little one, a firm one. It's going in the oven about depends how strong your oven is, 160 or 170. It's going to be in there for about 10 minutes.
Alright.
Now I'm going to cook it to touch, but you want to take the core temperature between 54 and 57.
Okay.
4 would be on the more rarer side, of course. 57's on the more well side. I like a 57. And let's go for 10 minutes. Alright, it's pasta time. I'm fucking it. I'm excited for the pasta.
Woo!
Tell you what, this is some real shit, this pasta. This is some real shit. So, water behind me, boiling. Get that salt in there. Barilla. Do you know what Barilla stands for, Emil?
No.
Emil was a fucker. Alright, pasta in. Now we're gonna go for a parsley pesto today.
Parsley pesto? What's it usually made with?
So pesto is usually made pine nuts, basil, as a standard, right? But today we're switching it up. We're going with lamb, right? So we're gonna make it a bit different. So we're gonna go with almonds. Oh, these are lovely.
And they are.
We've got some garlic here and some lemon, parmigiano. So just chop it up a bit. Get that off. Get out your blending jug. It's time to start stuffing it in there. Get in. Come on. Salt in there. Lemons.
Are they hot though?
Olive oil. A little splash of water. Maybe like half a cup. Yeah. Let's have a look. 10 minutes, but it's still not done.
Yeah, it's a lot of bounce, huh?
What we can do is turn it. 2 more minutes, that'll make it 12. And we have a look.
Yeah, you better make sure that's not raw. Otherwise I'm gonna Ramsay the shit out of you. I'll pick up that like a ram, slap you round the face, motherfucker.
For our pasta, finely chop some up 1 onion, about 3 garlics, and just slice them. some cherry tomatoes. Just cut them up, nice into freeze. Pasta's cooked now as well. Everything's coming together. All right, let's have a look at that. That's what you want. That's the bounce there. It's that solid bounce it's got. Yeah. All right, so now, the most important part when it comes to meat, leave it to rest. For at least 5 or 6 minutes. Just so it relaxes.
What do you mean by relaxers? Because I always hear this, let your meat rest. What does it actually do?
So, if you think about it this way, the meat is like, you just stuck in a really hot pan, it's gone, and it's all sucked together and it's like, it's gone all tight because you're cooking it. So you take it out, and you just let it rest and relax and it gets softer.
Relieves the tension a bit, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Onions, garlic. Here's what a real gangster does. A little bit of the lamb fat butter. And there.
Whoa, nice.
We ain't holding back today, Emil. Woo! Those are tomatoes. This is where you want it. You just want like real nice softness, but you still want a little bit of crunch to your veg. Pasta in, pesto on top. Oh, there we go. And now you're gonna go with some fresh Parmesan. Oh yeah. The black peps.
Let's see if he's gonna get Ramsayed.
Pink.
Ooh.
That's what I'm talking about.
Nice pink.
That's the pinkness. Woo!
See a little bit of blood going down.
See how when you just cut into it, you get like the blood fall. That's it. Ooh. Ooh.
Nice.
Whoa. 10 minutes in the oven. Beautiful baste. So it helps if you wear a glove to get like the perfect spiral. And
Ooh. Beautiful.
yeah, baby. All right.
Okay, Mr. Floyd.
Are you ready?
Let's do this.
You want? No, you get the pink one. Oh.
Beautiful.
I haven't tasted that in a real long time. Oh my gosh. Time for this pasta to drop some panties, y'all.
Wow. Now that is a pastorino. That's fucking amazing.
Oh. That pasta and lamb combo. Almonds, lamb, herbs. Oh shit.
Forget about it. Forget about it. That. Whoa. Amazing. That on its own is fantastic.
Dude.
Yeah, and that is the best part. You can just pick it up by the bone. Oh. When life gives you lemons.
Give it a rack.
Nice.